This is the time to evolve your line from a single line machine to a game-changing flexibility. The ALLWINS bag filling GC220 excels not only in speed but also in versatility. It seamlessly integrates a small batch customization with large-scale output on a single production line. This is the definitive answer to intelligent packaging. What does that mean for you? One machine, multiple products, maximum flexibility for your production line. This isn't just a standard answer, it's built for your unique needs. High automation and deep standard customization to match every vision you have. ALLWINS GC220 vacuum packaging machine unblocking fresh possibilities for you.